Welcome to our print-on-demand TeePublic store. Our designs can be applied to adult apparel, kids apparel, home goods, cases, and stickers. Our designs are a mix of serious and humor. UFO or UAP, Christian, Save the Bees, Love of Coffee, Cats, Cycling, Birdwatching, Geocaching, Bird Photography, Hybrid Cars, Chiropractic, Cooking, and Barbecue. More categories and designs are being added. There are links below for our TeePublic store and our Redbubble store. I will show you a sample of our designs. More are being added, so please visit our stores frequently.
Hi, I am J. Rod Jr. I am introducing the UFO or UAP design samples. I am from the planet Optium. We exchange technology with Earth Tech companies for large supplies of pizza, beer, and coffee for technology assistance like AI and quantum computing.
Hi, I am an avatar of what Jesus may look like. There are no pictures of Jesus, but we can guess. I am introducing the Christian designs.
Hi, I am introducing the Save the Bees designs. Bees are important as pollinators. They make our crops grow. They also share the tasty honey with us.
Hi, I am going to introduce a sample of our geocaching designs.
Hi, I am going to show you a sample of our barbecue designs.
Thank you for viewing our video, which is a quick sample of what we have for designs. Please visit our TeePublic and Redbubble stores on the links below.